Are you looking to choose the perfect hidden door hinge kit? Let's dive into the essential E-lay that guarantees silent operation, easy installation, and long-term durability. Understanding hidden door hinge kits is key. They're not just metal parts, they form a mechanical system for door alignment and movement. Evaluating them requires focusing on lifecycle value, not just the price. First, let's move beyond price. A hinge kit must handle the actual door weight seamlessly. Structural integrity is crucial. This performance depends on all hardware elements' precise synchronization. Next, we explore how silent operation, easy installation, and durability are interlinked. A hidden hinge may start quietly but can degrade if material or load capacity is insufficient. So, what's inside a hidden door hinge kit? A proper kit includes concealed hinges and all necessary components like screws, routing templates, and detailed instructions. Choosing individual components can lead to uncertainty. Kits ensure factory-matched parts, reducing routing errors that ruin doors. Precision during installation is vital for concealed hardware. Now let's assess silent operation. A quality hinge kit relies on the internal bearing system, which minimizes friction during use. Sealed bearings are preferred for quiet operation over cheaper open bearings. Quality models also integrate polymer spacers to reduce metal contact and improve movement consistency. Proper alignment is critical. Poor alignment causes noise and uneven door operation. What about installation? High-quality templates are invaluable. They ensure accurate placement, meaning fewer mistakes during installation. Think about the hinge's material. Stainless steel or zinc alloys are best for durability and corrosion resistance. Heavy-duty options are necessary for frequently used doors or heavy bookcases. Evaluating load capacity is complex. It interacts with door dimensions and weight. Always exceed the weight limit by at least 20% for safety. To make your decision easier, a structured scorecard can help. Weight factors like load capacity, adjustment systems, material grade, and maintenance requirements. Avoid common pitfalls like overlooking minimum door thickness or focusing solely on purchase price. Cheaper options may cost more in the long run due to poor performance. Finally, ask yourself, does the kit include essential features like 3D adjustment and sealed bearings? These are crucial for easy installation and silent operation. In summary, the best hidden door hinge kit considers the door's weight, required features, and maintenance expectations. A well-researched selection guarantees a quiet and functional concealed entrance. Ready to elevate your space? Explore our guide to find the perfect fit.